Hello students, accountancy class for 12 commerce. So in this video we will see how to find interest on capital. So A and B are partners in the partnership firm with the opening capital of rupees 1,50,000 and 2 lakh respectively. So partnership deed provides interest on capital at the rate of 10% per annum. Okay, so हांगासर तुम्ही पळोवंक शकता A and B partners firm with the opening capital इतलो आसा 1,50,000 आणि 2 lakh. So हांगासर per annum interest कितलो पे करपाक जाय 10%. So calculate interest on capital. So first write formula of the interest on capital. Interest on capital, amount of capital into rate of interest into time. Okay, so first partner name A. So amount of capital kitla asa 1,50,000, right? Rate of interest 10% and time per annum. So हांगासर additional capital or month आमकां असो मेंशन कितें करूंक ना. So per annum म्हटल्यार आमी divide by 12 करतले. Okay, so on calculate करात. So your answer will come. So here 10% म्हटल्यार एक 0 कट जातलो. So 15,000 answer. Okay, so 1,50,000 असो 15,000 येयलो. Next partner B 2 lakh into 10 upon 100 into same 12. Rate of interest both partners same असतली. So हे cancel केले 0 0 गेलो हांगासलो एक 0 गेलो. So कितलो उरलो 20,000. Okay, so interest on capital of A 15,000 and interest on capital B 20,000 add जातलो. Okay, thank you.